one is basically straightforward. This is similar to ChatGPT. However, this has almost everything that you need without any pricing at all, without paying for like premiums. Like as you can see, ChatGPT or the GPT-4 model would cost you around 20 bucks, right? So 20 bucks is a long way to go here in our place. Um, when we go ahead and check ChatGPT, it's a costly thing to do. It's a costly subscription based like just because it's just what's this again? And most of the time, this is like the pricing that they currently have is really tailored to the people that are on Western or in the Western part of the world. That's why it's a little bit pricey when it comes to us. Um, just like me, I live in a third world country. I live in the Philippines, wherein like $20 can be like 1 week's worth of food or a month's worth of gas, right? So $20 can go a long way for everybody. So that's why most of the time I'm using free versions or free stuff. So right now I'm in a free plan of ChatGPT. I've been dabbling with some coding recently, and me and James found out that there is something better. There is something better than ChatGPT. So these are models of GPTs or machine learning, if you may say so. We have bots that can give you prompt for like photos in Midjourney that just can give you really good prompts. Um, Emojis for some reason it changes your messages to emojis. There are some other prompts here that I'm using as well. This is very good. This is basically the same thing of this one, like the ChatGPT Premium or the Plus version. This is GPT-4. This is GPT-4 as well. Um, I've reached my limit for this one. I've reached my limit because I've been using that for like coding. I have actually cleared everything here. Let me go ahead and clear the chat. But these are the things that you can use. They have GPT here as well. They have GPT 16K and GPT 32K, right? Um, we have other things here as well. We have an English editor. We have a teacher language. We have a university GPT that can help you with universities and everything. So there are programming bots here. Um, most of the things that I use is called Code Llama, which is really good. This is too like Llama 27B or Code Llama 34B. The 34B or 70B B stands for 70 billion times. So it was trained 70 billion times so that it works as a chat GPT, but even better because this is streamlined and focused to coding. But let's give you a visual example, right? Let's go to Midjourney. Um, it's asking you like, what would you like to prompt in Midjourney today? Um, let's say Mario. Oh no, like very scenic view of Japan, the Japanese streets in cyberpunk 2077 style. Go. So as you can see, it gives me a prompt as well. I'm pretty sure this will really great, like would work great on it's just again mid journey. I'll be trying another one which is also free, ideogram. So I'll be trying this one because this works similar or even better than GPT or Midjourney. So the issue right now with this is just servers. So we'll be back on that. But yeah, this is you can use this for like Midjourney. Let me go ahead and check Midjourney if I have a free credit, right? join the beta. Okay, so I'm in Midjourney right now. Let me try ahead. So I'm trying this one. I'm trying the. Wait a sec. Let's check again. Okay, this is the image prompt. Let's try it out. Okay, so I don't think I have. Okay, so this wouldn't let me anymore because I don't have any credits with Midjourney. Trial support. Okay. So yeah, it doesn't let me do it anymore because I don't have premium on Midjourney. But the cool thing about it, guys, is you can actually like create prompts here. Like, you can create really good prompts. Let's try it out over at Playground AI. Okay, so this one, I think it's working now. Okay, so server is still busy. Let's try to log in. I used this before. This is like a free version of an image prompter. This is not really that, like, this is not on the same level of ChatGPT, but hey, it's something that we can use, right? So let me. You can import images here as well if you want to, but I'll just try this out. Generate. I think this should give me a very basic. Okay, it takes a while. Okay. It does take a while when we render this out on Playground AI because it's not on a premium account. But let's try it out here as well. So not sure what happened to there. Okay. Yeah, they are correct. They need servers. Let's wait for it to start. It does take a while for sure. See? Now this is good. This is so similar to a game called Cyberpunk 2077. And then the car itself, the accent in the background of it as well. This is something that we could post on Instagram, Twitter. This is really good. Now on the other side here as well, we almost saw it, the result, but it does show a similar result from this one as well. You can even change this to 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to, but that's the whole prompt side of it. So we can look for another ones here as well. Um, if you are looking for, like, let's say a YouTube recommendation, like can you give me a YouTube channel that talks about front end designing for websites? And we check Traversy Media on YouTube. And this is a good YouTube account with tutorials as well, right? So yeah, that's a good one. This is honestly useful for like anything that you are creating. So I think we saw I think earlier I saw an article creator. Okay, this is not it. Let's look for the article creator because we will be using that as well. If you want the link, it's po.com, has all the models, all the machine learning models that you can think of. Mid-journey as well. Let me go ahead and check. AI bots. There is. I saw one earlier with the article bot. There you go. Can even create amazing things here as well, like LinkedIn posts. Let me resume review. See, it even uses a resume review as well, which is really good. AI businesses. But if you are coding, I do suggest going to Code Llama. Code Llama, if we run it locally, because you can technically run any machine learning AI on your like platform itself. All you need is just Anaconda and then a couple tutorials of GitHub. But that takes very that takes a huge GPU power. You need at least an NVIDIA 3080, a 3060, that an RTX 3080, an RTX 3060 and above, because this basically trains itself. It renders all the trained things that it did. So that's why it requires like a really good PC. So all these things are hosted on a computer that is really powerful, NASA level computer for sure, that has like ample and ample amounts of GPU training, and Poe that just basically does it for free, and then everything here you can access it. So it's crazy. I've tried running custom machine learning of Code Llama on my PC before. I end up it was really slow, but at the same time it saved me a lot of money because it doesn't really require me to have like a subscription because it's technically free to like host your own machine learning, but it does take a really good amount of hardware. My CPU or my computer unit was just heating up constantly because of that. So I had to look for alternatives. I found Poe. So yeah, this is even helpful with like HTML and then code mod as well, and then Python agent. These are really good bots you can use. But basically, this is a summary of all the things that you can use all at once. You don't no need to pay for anything. You don't need to buy anything, or you don't need to like basically it this will cost you for free. Now I'm looking for um, the other one, which is the LinkedIn create. Let's try to create a powerful post on LinkedIn. Okay. So tell me what you want me to write about. So let's talk about how AI is helping. Give me a LinkedIn efficient and would give you great results without sacrificing time. It's just a little bit okay. It's good. It creates a good post, right? It really creates a good post. However, it does use a lot of emojis. That's the only thing that I have from this one, right? But this can be posted on LinkedIn, honestly. So let me post it on LinkedIn. Let's give a little bit formatting onto it. So this, I like this because it's a go-to hub. You can create images here, create image prompts. You can use it for coding. You can get YouTube recommendations from it. You can do whatever you want all at one page. Makes it easier and efficient as well. Let me just omit those. Let's create a post. So, giving you guys a tip in posting on LinkedIn, you need to have three or two lines first. The future is now, and then let's just delete that. Okay, that's okay. It's good. Higher value key here are best suited for AI versus. Okay, just need to do a little bit of copywriting for sure. Strength reduce. Okay, help me focus on the project I'm truly passionate about. Okay, that's how you can do it. There you go. So it does take a little bit of formatting. How AI can take repetitive jobs and free me up and focus strategic work. For example, the key is finding the right. Let me know if you have any ideas how we can work with. Okay, so that's good. Next is I'm going to create a background, right? So we created a background earlier here. Let's try to download this one. There you go. And then when we go to LinkedIn, just drag it in. Yeah, so you have the future. The future is now. AI is going to be the biggest thing in our careers. Okay, so at least in a matter of a couple of minutes, you were able to create a post on LinkedIn. This is good. I formatted it a little bit because I want everyone to get that hook. I want them to see like, hey, futures now is going to be productive, and then I tell them what I think about it, and then share your body here, and then a footer that let me know if they have an idea so that you can get engagement from people. But that's how you write it efficiently. For me, before AI, this would probably take me a day or two to create just because I have other things to do, and then there are other things that we need to prioritize and like this. But because of AI, I was able to like consistently post. At the start of the year, I only had like about 100 connections on LinkedIn, and then right now I'm at like 1,679. So this is good when you're consistently posting on LinkedIn and at the same time using AI to help you out, like Poe, for example, ChatGPT, Perplexity. All these tools can help you with basically everything that you can think of. That's why we have this webinar to you guys because we want to share each and every one of it to you so that you can use it. Um, you can do whatever you want with it. It can help you be efficient at work, give more better results, and yeah. So before we go, do you guys have any questions about Poe? Anything that you have? There even is a psychologist here, right? If you need help, right? This is crazy. I think Queensy has a question. And if you guys have any requests on what are the things that we could tackle next, please let me know. I could help you out with graphics, community management, AI, um, any skill set that you can think of. I can help you out with it. But yeah, if you guys don't have any more questions, thank you guys so much for coming in into this short and sweet webinar that we have. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys on the next one, which is on Friday. Once again, we have builder calls over at every Monday where we talk about the updates, and then every Wednesday we have a resume check, wherein if you want your resumes to be checked by professionals like us, please let us know. You can send out a resume review over at the resume review channel. And on every Friday, we have this event called Brass Webinars. So thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an amazing Friday and have an amazing weekend ahead. See you guys, and yeah, happy Friday.